It's hard to make money in a choppy market. Gate.io dual currency products help you earn more regardless of price action. You literally get paid interest for doing nothing. The way that this works is that you give up an infinite return and instead pick a maximum price. This is the maximum price you think Bitcoin will go in your chosen time frame. The lower the price you pick, the higher your guaranteed interest return will be. You pick the settlement end date, and on that date, the price of Bitcoin determines your payout and the currency it's settled in. If the price of Bitcoin does not rise above your maximum reference price, then you earned interest for doing nothing. You get paid in Bitcoin then, and so this extra Bitcoin interest is on top of your invested Bitcoin. On the contrary, if the Bitcoin price does rise above your maximum reference price, then your Bitcoin will be sold at that maximum pegged price, and you will be paid in USDT. So you sold the potential hypothetical unknown upside above your maximum reference price in return for a guaranteed high payout if nothing really happens. All in all, there are three main advantages to Gate.io dual currency products: fixed rate of return, earn regardless of price action, and flexible options for holding terms according to your needs.